Welcome back to Design Bundles YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal, and today we are going to apply HTV to this super adorable bib. So the few things that you're going to need simply is HTV, which you could do whatever color you would like, and then you're just going to need a baby bib. Now, because I am using my bigger heat press today, I'm using this pressing pillow. So if you were using your Cricut Easy Press, and the Cricut Easy Press pad, if you will, this would kind of pop down in those seams, but because your bigger heat press has a harder surface, we need to avoid all of these seams here. So we're going to use a pressing pillow for that. So those are the things that we have. The file that I use is linked down below. I brought it right inside of Cricut Design Space, sized it down, and cut it with my Cricut Explorer 3. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Starting off over here, figuring out our size, the very first thing that I did was took a ruler here and then figured out about how big I wanted to go. So my design right here, I believe the height was a little bit, or maybe it was the width was a little bit higher. So say, for example, I did 6 by 5. So you can just take your ruler here to figure out about how big you want this to be, and then just simply size it out. But look at how adorable this design is. It is so, so cute. This would be super cute in blue, pink, whatever color you wanted to do. Lots of different bibs out there as well. This one is 100% cotton, and we will have some stuff linked down below to help you guys recreate this project. So we'll have all the supplies linked below. So the very first thing that we need to do is actually pull out the moisture and then remove any sort of lint. So I've already ran my lint roller over it, so let's take it to the heat press and remove any sort of moisture. All right, so taking the bib here, we're just going to pop on over here to the press. I don't really need my pressing pillow at this point. I'm just pulling out moisture, so I don't have to really worry about those seams per se. I really just need to pull out some moisture for around 5 seconds or so. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and pop this guy back out of here, and then now we can bring it back over here. And now all we simply have to do is line up our design. All right, just like so. So this guy's ready. So let's go ahead and take it back over to the press. This time we're going to take that pressing pillow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop down my pressing pillow first, and then I'm going to slide on my baby bed. So this pressing pillow, depending on how big you need, I'm just using a smaller one here. I just need it to be as big as my design. That's all I need to do. So I'm going to pop this in just like so. I have my heat press set at 305 for 12 seconds. I am using Caesar Easy Lead, and then you may want to adjust your pressure. So we've got around medium pressure here. So like I said, for around 12 seconds, we are around 3 seconds. We're almost done here. Such a super fast project. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and simply remove this little guy now. All right, just like so, and let's take it over to the table. All right, so now that we're over at the table, super duper easy. All we need to do now, this is a hot or warm pill, is simply pill, just like so. How adorable is this? This would be such a great item to gift to somebody or even sell in your local boutique. Such a super darling gift. I absolutely love this design, and I love the way that it came out. So there you guys have it. I really hope you guys recreate this. Remember, if you guys do, we want to see your projects. Use the hashtag design bundles so we can check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And we'll see you guys on the next one.